viewers, today I am going to tell you about who is the tracking online find out with help of browser extension. Nowadays the user are more aware to how to become a secure online. But if your single digital footprint is available, then you will be tracked by someone. But if you want to know who is tracking you, then you have to take help of some browser extension as follows. First is Privacy Badger. Badger Software is the UK leading supplier of the system for dealing with the critical incidents of crime in action. Privacy Badger automatically learn to block invisible trackers. Inside of keeping list of what to block, Privacy Badger learn by watching which domain appear to be tracking you as you browse the web. Privacy Badger sends the do not tracking signal with your browsing. If trackers ignore your wishes, your badges will learn to block them. Beside automatic tracking blocking, Privacy Badger removes outgoing link click tracking on Facebook and Google with more privacy protection on the way. There are several versions of Privacy Badger which is to 2027-21. Improve broken site reporting screen in the pop-up, refresh the look of option page tabs, fix various site breakage, improve translation in different languages, simplified by changing into Chinese, Danish, European, Portuguese, Spanish and Turkish. 2026-29 added replacement placeholder for disguise command being get. Fixed domain slider on the option page not saving in some cases. Fixed slider changes on the option page resetting the list of domains, causing you to lose your place if you were scroll down. Fixed domain slides tooltip display. Re-enable custom tooltips in the Firefox, fixed various site breakage. Improve translation in different languages. 2026-2 added replacement placeholder for Facebook comment, video and Twitch players. Remove Twitter's link unwrapping. We are unable to unwrap to co-links on the Twitter at this time, as the original URL is no longer present in the Twitter website document structure. Fix various site breakage, improve translation. Report abuse version updated on 27/21. The next uh, extension is disconnect. Disconnect is compatible with your device track and trackers. Make the web faster, more private and more secure. Disconnect lets you visualize and block the visual that website that track you. Load the pages, you go to 44% faster, stop tracking by thousands of third-party sites. Disconnect was named the best privacy tool by the New York Times 2016 Innovations Award winner for Best Privacy and Security Software at the South by the Southwest 2015. List as one of the 100 best innovations of the year by the Popular Science and one of the 20 best Chrome extension by the Lifehacker. Third option is a blur. Blur is the clear choice for better password. Stop forgetting password and generate through to crack new one. Creating a strong encrypted password in one click even for the site you already have login for. Saves, encrypt and organize your password. Logs you in past. Works seamless across your iPhone, iPad and browser. Access your data from home work or on the road, but please not while driving. Use Touch ID and other iPhone and 6 features to log in ever faster. So there is no problem to remember the password. It's help you to generate the password in encrypted form so nobody can track you. Secure payment. A site you have shopped get hacked and your login and password are stolen in the data breach. No problem. Your credit card information won't even be there. Shop online without ever giving out your credit card to merchant. You Mastercard let you pay using new disposable credit card like PayPal but better. Autofill your real encrypted credit card. Billing and address information for fast checkout when you choose. Charges show up as a buying ink on your system to protect your privacy. That's what we do. Better privacy. Even with your password and payment security is still being tracked by the hundreds of companies collecting as much data as they can about you. Use the blur extension too. Now this is the best option to blur the extension. Blur extension block hundred of companies from secretly collecting data about what you do online. Block tracking that doesn't rely on cookies. More effective than private browsing. Stop Facebook and other from tracking you even when you no login the update. No login. Update service and protection incorporating feedback from over 10 million daily user block new and emerging threat. Security also provides privacy, password, credit card, debit card protection, then private better privacy than security. A best in class password only protect your account information from anyone, even us. Password and key data are secured with AES 256 encryption. Separate keys are used for authentication and authorization and data encryption. Encryption key are stored using host-proof hosting. Encrypted data is stored using optional personal storage account. Example Dropbox. Key JavaScript functions run in protected context, not in the page. So it is very securing software and it is very helpful for you. Free and premium. Most features are free and unlimited, but you get more with the premium subscription. Free password management, mask, email, and private browsing with the tracking protection. Premium mask credit card, a new private mask, phone numbers, backup and synchronize, and expedite premium support. Premium plans cost between $2 to $5 per month based on length of subscription. 3 cents per day for all this. It is very cheap and more convenient for to save your data. Trust. You can trust on the Blur, Avine in the world leader in consumer data security. Our technology is built to defend your privacy in new and better way other do not. We have operated for over 5 years with a single mission and business model to protect your privacy. It's all we do. So this is a very supporting and very innovative software. Our services are used by millions daily. Our team is made up of data security experts. We encourage you to check out our amazing review. We welcome and regularly share our source code with security and privacy experts. We are transparent about what data we need stored, and how it can be used. And our privacy policy is as simple as straight up as we could possibly make it. And support, it give the full support. And what is the new in Blur? This update includes several fixes to improve compatibility and responsive recommended for all users. Improved compatibility with many sites, fixed password saving and improved synchronized time. The save card prompt if is faster and appear in more relevant places. So it is very innovative software and help everywhere, and it is very renowned also. So I told you today the three software you try in your browser extension. That is, first is Privacy Badger, second is a Disconnect, and third is a Blur. And these three will help you to protect your site and you from the trackers. Please install and try it by your own and find which is better. The first one will take your allowance that they can see your all data for the for do the protection by themselves. And so if you think it is not safe, then don't use it. The Privacy Badger, then second is a Disconnect, and third is a Blur. I think Blur is the best choice to take it for your browser extension and try by your own self. It is your choice that which one you want to use. Thank you today. If you like my innovative new information or current information, then please subscribe and share to others. Thank you.